is a tutorial to fill out your sports medicine paperwork for Kansas Wesleyan University. We use the platform Healthy Roster. You'll go to healthyroster.com following your registration. You'll click Login and put in your email and password that you had created earlier upon registration. You'll be prompted to an access code that will be sent to your email. And then you will get to your dashboard. Here is your dashboard. You will click on your name. And then the first item you need to complete is going to your details page and making sure that all of your details are correct. Make sure your first and last name are spelled correctly. Make sure your email is correct and correct date of birth. Your student ID will go here under Unique ID, and your graduation year that you plan to graduate will go here. If you would like to put a photo in your profile, which we would appreciate, you can put in here. Make sure your cell phone is correct. Make sure that we have a home address, and make sure that if you have a primary insurance that it is put in here. If you carry two insurances, you can put in the primary and secondary. If you have any details medically that you would like the athletic training staff to be aware of, please put those here in your alerts. And then please add an emergency contact. To do that, you'll hit the plus button, fill out the following information. If you would like them to be part of your care circle, you would select the send invitation here and then hit OK. And then hit save. Then you'll go up to your documents page and you will fill out your documents. Each of these is a complete document. You will upload your insurance card here and make sure you follow the instructions for uploading your insurance card. Sometimes the insurance card is more easily done in the app setting, as you can use your camera on your cell phone. You'll click all and hit fill online, and then for some of them, make sure that you initial everything and make sure everything is signed. And you will sign in the boxes given. Make sure you list your sport and your printed name. If you're currently under the age of 18, make sure that you have a parent or guardian signature too, and hit OK. If you would like this to go to the entire care circle, so if you add an emergency contact and invite them to your care circle, they can see everything if you hit entire care circle. Or if you'd just like to go to the athletic training staff and yourself, please select providers and primary. Once you've completed all of these documents, then you have completed them all, and some will require review of the athletic training staff. If you have any questions, you may reach out to a member of the athletic training staff. Thank you.